Welcome to the next episode of G-Tech. Get ready for an action-packed adventure as we dive into the thrilling world of wood-hauling drivers facing the most dangerous challenges on the planet. Buckle up and brace yourselves, let's get started. The sight of the homemade tractor hauling timber, struggling through the muddy road after the rain, is truly unforgettable. These vehicles are a powerful symbol of the strength and resilience of the local people. In places where modern technology has yet to make its mark, as the wheels spun in the thick mud, unable to bear the weight, the tractor eventually tipped over on the slippery slope. To rescue it, everyone came together, unloading the logs one by one. This show of unity in tough times reflects the enduring spirit and solidarity of the Vietnamese people. In the damp forest, the roads are full of unpredictable surprises, especially when it comes to sinking depths, and the John Deere 1110D harvester was no exception. After trying to cross a muddy patch, it found itself stuck with no teammates nearby to assist. But with impressive skill, it used its grapple to place logs on the ground, reducing the sinking and creating a steady path for its escape. After much effort and determination, the John Deere 1110D finally freed itself, a true testament to its strength and resilience. The resilience of the Vietnamese people is truly inspiring, especially as seen during the 1954 war with the US with homemade vehicles. They navigated treacherous terrains that few could even imagine. Picture a vehicle loaded with straw from the fields, climbing a nearly vertical slope, breathtaking and heart-stopping. At times, it swayed, and a few brave souls stood atop it to keep balance. I couldn't help but wonder, would I dare to stand up there? They embodied resilience, showcasing the strength of the human spirit to overcome all obstacles.
Giờ bắt đầu ra dàn đầu khá quyện nha các bạn. Quạt cát quá mòn em.
For the first time, we witnessed the ingenious technique the Marathi people used to unload large logs. The excavator carefully pushes the log down from above, while the truck below is equipped with two sturdy poles to catch it. The log lands perfectly, neatly positioned on the truck, a true testament to the forest workers' resourcefulness and skill. Without modern machinery, necessity has sparked remarkable ingenuity, enabling them to load logs safely and efficiently. Two Yatab Bosib tractors charged up the near vertical slope, capturing the eager gaze of the crowd. But disappointment quickly set in as they lost their grip and became stuck halfway, leaving onlookers with a sense of letdown. Soon, a military tank arrived with a commanding presence. pulling the stranded tractor out of its predicament with ease. The powerful roar of the tank's engine echoed, drawing all eyes toward it in admiration, showcasing its unmatched strength and pride. In a moment of crisis, the homemade tractor reared up, overloaded as it climbed a steep mountain pass, creating a dramatic moment for the driver. The front of the vehicle tilted dangerously, with the wheels losing grip on the road, while the back was heavily loaded with timber. Yet, the driver remained calm, relying on the vehicle's smart winch system, securing a rope to a tall tree nearby. The winch engaged, pulling the tractor out of the precarious situation. Although half of the timber spilled out, the scene was both tense and breathtaking, a true testament to the skill and ingenuity of the people here. The saying, if you want to go fast, go alone, if you want to go far, go together, truly shines here. The John Deere 1110D found itself hopelessly stuck in a deep swamp, with thick mud making it impossible to escape on its own. But with the timely help of the John Deere 1470E, and after a bit of a struggle, the rescue was a success. This scene stands as a powerful testament to solidarity, where real strength is born from cooperation, overcoming challenges side by side. Metis, with its expansive tracks, is built to tackle damp forests and slippery, muddy terrains effortlessly. Its precision grapple gently lifts each log, embodying the heart of the forestry industry. Beyond its impressive power, with a superior engine and suspension system, Metis ensures safety with modern GPS and camera systems, providing a smooth and sustainable operation through the toughest environments. Sometimes, life throws unexpected challenges your way, like today, deep in the forest, when the John Deere 810D suddenly tipped over. It certainly wasn't the best day, but thanks to the timely help of a colleague, everything turned out just fine. Fortunately, both the vehicle and operator were safe. Next time, let's be a little more careful. Our green friend. In the heart of winter, the forest becomes a breathtaking masterpiece, draped in a blanket of white snow. Yet, beneath this smooth layer, muddy swamps lie in wait. The Timberjack 810B, equipped with sturdy tracks, confidently begins its journey, gliding over the damp paths without fear of getting stuck. When faced with mud, the machine seems to shrug it off, determined to press forward with sheer strength and resilience. Timberjack stands as a vivid picture of tenacity amidst the winter landscape. Have you ever witnessed large logs being loaded onto a truck? It's truly a grand sight. The old, small yet mighty excavator makes the entire truck shake under the weight. I used to think it wouldn't be able to handle it, but this scene plays out every day. a testament to the resilience and determination of the people here. The Timberjack 810V moves through the damp forest like a true warrior, fearlessly facing the cold and relentless rain. Despite the waterlogged roads making each wheel turn a struggle, it carries on with its logging mission, leaving everyone in awe. At times, it sways, almost on the verge of tipping, but the operator's skill transforms every challenge into smooth progress. He's my idol, a symbol of resilience and courage, a shining example for everyone to admire and follow. The Timberjack 810V moves through the damp forest like a true warrior, fearlessly facing the cold and relentless rain. Despite the waterlogged roads making each wheel turn a struggle, it carries on with its logging mission, leaving everyone in awe. At times, it sways, almost on the verge of tipping, but the operator's skill transforms every challenge into smooth progress. He's my idol, a symbol of resilience and courage, a shining example for everyone to admire and follow. The Tautric concrete mixer truck faced a perilous slope, one that could give way at any moment. Just a slight misstep could send it tumbling. But with a sharp awareness of the danger, it drew on its experience to carefully and safely navigate down. Meanwhile, deep in the forest, the Logset 6F forwarder found itself in a harsh predicament, stuck in a thick mud pit with no one around to lend a hand. Undeterred, the machine used its grapple to lay down logs, creating a makeshift path to free itself, one stepping stone at a time. After a long struggle, combining persistence with skill, the log set finally broke free. Yet, the victory came at a price. The entire day was lost, with the harvested logs deeply sunk in the mud, leaving a quiet sense of sorrow in the operator's heart. The LKT Brovi Volant exhibition was simply breathtaking for anyone passionate about logging technology. Imagine powerful LKT logging tractors, especially the stunning Brovi Balin series, taking center stage and leaving everyone in awe. The moment that really stole the show? Watching two massive machines crush cars effortlessly. It was pure power in action. This event wasn't just about showing off tech. It brought experts together in an incredible space to share ideas, swap stories, and spark innovative solutions, all driving the logging industry toward a more sustainable and efficient future. That day was truly one of those heart-stopping moments when the logging truck lost control on a steep, endless slope. The rugged terrain felt like a giant, unpredictable chessboard, and the heavy logs behind seemed to push the truck further down the incline. An accident felt inevitable, and before we knew it, the truck overturned. We stood there, frozen, as the scene unfolded right in front of us. Helplessly, We watched a scene shaped by too many serious mistakes. The truck was overloaded with an excavator weighing 10 times over the permitted limit, speeding down a rocky, slippery slope that left the brakes useless as the wheels skidded uncontrollably. This was sheer negligence and irresponsibility from the driver, leading to a catastrophic rollover accident, one that could and should have been prevented. Let's dive into the action as a seasoned operator takes control of a Hyundai excavator. Skillfully navigating through treacherous, rocky terrain, watch as they expertly clear away boulders and trees, carving out a vital road for a remote village with unmatched precision and raw power. Every obstacle is tackled with pure skill and determination, bringing renewed hope to the local community. This is the perfect harmony of expertise, grit, and cutting-edge technology in action. Driving to the sawmill in the summer is an experience like no other. The truck, fully loaded with timber, glides along the dry road under the blazing sun. Each turn of the wheels kicks up a cloud of dust, spreading like a mist that blankets the path ahead. The powerful roar of the engine and the steady clatter of logs colliding create an atmosphere of pure energy. Despite the harshness, there's a feeling of raw vitality in every moment, a connection between man and nature forged in the dry summer heat, leaving a lasting impression. In the heart of summer, I can't help but admire the person sitting confidently in front of the LKT-81 sled, towing an impressive 20 cubic meters of logs down a steep, dangerous slope without a hint of hesitation. The two front wheels lifted right off the ground, yet he stayed calm, as if nothing unusual was happening. Perhaps it was his unwavering trust in his own skills and the finesse of his driving. Such bravery and steely resolve are genuinely inspiring. If it were you, would you dare to sit there, surrounded by heavy logs and rugged terrain? It's an experience that would surely set your heart racing. Logging in the mountainous forest is truly demanding and dangerous, especially during the transportation phase. Steep, slippery roads and thick layers of mud pose constant challenges. Yet, the grit and perseverance of the forest workers, who push forward undeterred by these hardships, are genuinely inspiring. Their hard work not only fuels the nation's prosperity but also uplifts the image of the labor force, showcasing resilience and dedication in every step. The firewood harvesting process by the local people is carried out with impressive method and precision. Their compact harvesting vehicle, though modest, is equipped with all the essential functions of a professional logging truck. To access the forest, it's skillfully transported across the lake on a homemade raft. Large logs are then loaded onto the vehicle using a winch and tracks, allowing it to navigate the rugged forest roads with ease. Every step is smooth and skillful, painting a picture of dedication and hard work that truly inspires admiration for the people's perseverance and professionalism. If small and medium-scale logging operations haven't left you in awe, then take a look at the impressive Noi 174 arm machine. Boasting a pulling force of 27.5 cubic meters, handling massive logs across France's complex mountain roads. This machine's raw power and intelligence paired with the operator's masterful skills deliver a smooth, captivating performance. Even in moments where the machine tilts, each challenge is effortlessly conquered. Together, cutting-edge technology and human expertise achieve remarkable results, showcasing outstanding efficiency in this tough and demanding field. The coordination involved in transporting the Atlas Copco Pit Viper rig from the operation site to the maintenance workshop never fails to leave a lasting impression. Watching the mighty Caterpillar 777 haul this massive rig back for repairs, readying it for the next mission, is like witnessing two giants in perfect sync. Together, they showcase the incredible harmony between engineering and sheer power, conquering every challenge with ease. The towering 16-meter timber truck made a breathtaking turn at the mountain summit. Like a scene from a masterful performance, the driver, with skills akin to a special forces operative, maneuvered the massive vehicle through sharp curves and steep inclines with absolute precision. Every slight shake of the wheels had onlookers holding their breath, captivated by his every skilled move. There's nothing quite as thrilling as witnessing such a powerful blend of strength and finesse on this treacherous mountain road. It's unbelievable how he maneuvers that old logging tractor with such skill and precision. If he were an artist, he'd be as renowned as the magician David Copperfield, dazzling us with his brilliance and finesse. Under his command, the tractor transforms into a perfect performance tool, hauling two massive logs up a steep, treacherous slope on a wooden sled. Every move is captivating, leaving the audience on the edge of their seats, both awed and mesmerized by the fluidity in each motion. A breathtaking display of pure strength and skill. Oh my God. He's truly a genius in the logging industry. If it were me, I'd never dare attempt such a feat. With just the LKT-81 turbo logging tractor in his hands, he transformed the tough task of hauling logs into a breathtaking, almost unbelievable performance. Nearly 10 large, long, and heavy logs on a steep, muddy slope, and yet, he guided them downhill with such skill and finesse. Bold and incredibly talented, he deserves to be celebrated as a true artist in the world of logging. This might just be the most complex logging route in the world. The LKT-81 logging tractor rolled along a dangerously steep road, with two wheels at times fully tilted to one side, barely gripping the ground. Yet, the skillful operator maneuvered through it all in the most remarkable way. It was a flawless blend of expertise and machine power, a feat that few could ever achieve. Truly admirable. The Komatsu D375AA. with its enormous blade, showcases phenomenal power in the construction industry. This machine moves massive blocks of earth and rock, tackling extreme challenges with ease. The combination of a skilled operator and cutting-edge technology forms an unstoppable force of efficiency and strength, delivering truly remarkable performance. The P&H 4100 XPC is a true giant among excavators, specially engineered for heavy-duty mining operations. When teamed up with the massive Caterpillar CAT 793 truck, they form a powerhouse duo. With its ability to scoop up enormous loads of earth and rock and precisely place them into the CAT 793's massive bed, the P&H 4100 XPC takes mining efficiency to new heights. Watching this colossal excavator fill the enormous truck bed in just a few scoops is nothing short of awe-inspiring and powerful. It was a tough day when the Style 462 logging vehicle unexpectedly slipped off the roadside, leaving us no choice but to call in the Holland T570 for help. Although we eventually managed to pull the vehicle back, it was clear the Style 462 had taken some damage. A sense of disappointment set in as we looked at the broken machine, knowing it would take a long time to repair. That day was truly one to forget, as the incident not only slowed down our progress but also tested the patience of the entire team. The Logset 12H GTE Hybrid stands as the world's most powerful tree harvester. Equipped with advanced hybrid technology and operating with remarkable efficiency at Espanol, this machine swiftly fells spruce trees infested by bark beetles, ensuring high profitability while also supporting forest regeneration by removing dead trees and making way for new growth. It's a perfect balance between economic gain and environmental sustainability, showcasing innovation that benefits both industry and nature. The oversized truck, with its exceptional power, expertly navigates challenging forest roads, hauling an impressive load of up to 110 cubic meters of timber, 3 times the capacity of a standard truck. A wheel loader with an elevated cabin assists in the efficient loading process, carefully securing each log with strong chains. On steep slopes, a bulldozer provides indispensable support, ensuring safe and steady climbs up the rugged terrain. It's a remarkable display of strength, precision, and teamwork in action. The Akita Shanken C6 Super Komachi Z13 series has just completed an essential journey from the Kawasaki Heavy Industries Hyogo plant. This new train car, carrying with it the pride and advanced technology of Japan, rolls forward with every wheel turning like a heartbeat of progress, extending its reach far and wide. It's more than just transportation, it's a symbol of innovation and hope. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next part, coming your way tomorrow.